And this is day 3 that I've had my new wolf dog, Wolfie. And I'm going to test what he's like with the vacuum cleaner. Come on, come on. Go back. Come on, darling. We're going to shout all of that then, weren't we? Day 3 for Wolfie. Couldn't got a better wolf dog. Could we? Yeah, no. You're gonna come clean about your origins. Yeah. Tell me what you are then. I'm a German Shepherd who looks like a wolf. You're just a young'un, aren't you? Yeah. Do you want to howl? See if you howl like a wolf. Ow! Woo, 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 woo. You don't, dear. Anyway, I've got backing up to do. I'll put this up on YouTube and catch you tomorrow or the day after. Thanks for watching.